The Bentley has been to an auto electrician for a couple of days. There were no reversing sensors, and the windscreen washers didn't work. And the electric aerial didn't work. And she needed a dash cam. So now she's got reversing sensors on a purpose-built bracket, a new electric aerial that goes up and down with the radio, a new Road Angel dash cam,
Road Angel Dashcam active.
and a new windscreen washer pump. This is the old aerial that was taken out. It's really big and strong and heavy, but it didn't go up and down. I don't suppose dash cams and reversing sensors were around in 1986 when she was built, but she's got them now.